Hey, I just wanted to make a small video about something I discovered which is amazing. It's the fact that you see Tailwind CSS class are very, very long. And sometimes it just takes a lot of it's unuseful to see that much information. As you can see, it's too long. And you can actually hide them pretty easily. You just have to go to the extension and search for inline fold. Uh, at first it was made by this guy, but it was remade by other type. So I suggest this one. You can toggle it with Control Alt A. So let's see, I'm here. I just Control Alt A and hop, disappear, and I can show them again. It's so much useful. Yeah. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye.